Hi, welcome to Papa's Workshop. Veterans Day is a very special day for me. And to begin with, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of the veterans out there that are serving now and have served in the past. Thank you. Thank you very much for your service. Many of you know that I am also a veteran, so I know the sacrifices that the military goes through to be able to protect this great nation and our people. And to do this on Veterans Day, what I decided to do is do this plaque for the Marine Corps. Now, I finished the laser work. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to finish the rest of it, but to me this is a very special plaque on a very special day. Let me show you how I did it. I'm in easel right now, and I wanted to show you this logo. This was put together quite some time ago, and I wanted to be able to carve that today using the Lightburn software. So what I'm doing is just taking this portion of the logo, because I do not want to carve the word Marines, and I set this up in a different workpiece. So now, from here, all I need to be able to do is come up to the file and click on Download Zip and save the file. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. But what that does, it actually saves it out to the computer. Now I went ahead and opened up the Lightburn software, and then I can just come up here to File, and after I unzip the Marine logo, I can come up to the recent projects and click on Marine logo, and there it is. Now I opened up the software, and what I have is the exact duplication of the logo that I had in the easel software. The only thing I did is type the word Marines down at the bottom, and I set this up on a different layer. You see I have this in blue, and I have the text at the top to be in blue as well. So if you look over on this section, the blue is going to be a fill with the line around it. And I wanted that to be dark, and I wanted to be able to have it where it would fill in all the way. So that's why I have the speed set for 70 inches a minute at 100% power. Everything else is going to be a line. So all of the black is another layer, and that's going to be the line drawing. And I'm having that set at 80% power. So just like that, in a matter of minutes, this is ready to be able to engrave. The other thing I want you to notice is right here in the center is the green dot. That is the actual current position and the starting position. So if I look over here, I have this set up as the job origin right in the center. That's where it's going to be. That's the reason I placed the center point on the board. So let's go ahead now and move the laser over to that job origin, and we'll begin the carve. Okay, you can see the engraving of the Marines, and it looks fantastic. But if you'll notice, the line drawing, which was done first, does not look good. So this is something I'm going to have to repeat and do a second carving on. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish. Once this is done, then I'm going to reset up the machine, change the settings, and do this a second time. Again, this is all part of the learning process on getting used to the laser, and I am definitely learning a lot, and it's a tremendous amount of fun. Now this is moving on to do the second pass on the text, and you can see it's definitely getting darker and is looking really good. Now what I didn't know is this was actually going to be 4 passes, and I didn't want that. So I had to stop the machine. So once I had stopped the machine, I reset everything, eliminated the output for the Marines and the Semper Fi, and I just did the line drawing with the fill. And now you can see a tremendous difference. This is looking absolutely fantastic. The other thing that I learned is when I stop the machine, the laser stops right where it is and it does not return to the home position. Unlike easel, if you stop easel, it will return back to the home position. So I had to set this up manually again, and I think it came out absolutely great. Now, if there is someone out there that knows how to get the machine to go back to that original start point, I would love to hear from you in the comments. But so far, I have not found that. So the only thing that I could do is set it manually, and I'm sure there's a better way to do that. So if you know, please leave me a comment down below. Now, once the fill was completely done, I did have the machine go back and do the line, and this would cover up any small little imperfections that may be there, which produced the end result fantastic. I couldn't ask for anything more. Again, on this Veterans Day, thank you to all of our veterans, both past and present, for your service. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also, check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.